Hi, I'm Tessa Lerma, and this is my learning activity, Create a Number Sentence, that I have designed for the third grade classroom. Create a Number Sentence is in accordance with California standards involving number sense for students' ability to calculate and solve problems involving the four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For this activity, though, it's going to be mostly focusing on addition and subtraction for the third graders, except for those that are more advanced or have a better understanding of the order of operations involving addition, subtraction with multiplication and division. The instructions here are written clearly so that the third grade students are able to run this game without direct supervision from the teacher. It's designed in a way to be competitive between two players, and the way that it's played is the first player takes all four of these number cubes and rolls them. The student will get four numbers. They will then decide for themselves what order they want them to be placed for the number sentence. So this student got 8, 2, 2, and 6. The student then chooses the operations here. They're magnets so that they can stick to the board. Let's say the student chooses addition, and then subtraction. After creating the number sentence, player 2 will take this handout, which will be provided for each of the groups who play. Player 2 will then write here the numbers, here the operation, and then solve it. Once player 2 has solved the problem and they've written here where it says your answer, they will record their answer there. Player 1, who created the number sentence, will then put the answer up on the board there. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12, minus 6 is 6. They will then write the answer here. If both students got 6, they're just going to fill in where it says group's answer. They're just going to mark that the answer was 6. If they got something different, let's say player 2, when they solved it on their own here on the sheet, got 5, they'll have written 5 here. Player 1, who designed the problem, got 6. They will then have to work it out together, step by step, until they come to an agreement on what is the correct answer. This sheet is going to be used to record both the individual student who attempts the problem after the first player, or when they switch, the second player has created the number sentence, their individual answer, but then also the answer that the group comes to as in an agreement of what is the correct answer. This is going to be used to grade the student's progress and their understanding of the operations, and this way the teacher can see how well they're doing in the game and what problems need to be addressed. I believe that most third graders should be able to do this without any issue on their own. If problems arise, let's say they can't agree to get along when doing the problems, you can bring in a third player and make it a group of 3 instead of a group of 2 so that they have more discussion about what the correct answer would be amongst themselves. But mostly it should be done without the teacher's direct supervision. The children can operate it on their own. Here I've written so that they can only create problems that they themselves can solve, and to be sure to record each one, because it is essential that this is kept a record of. And that's about it. Thank you.